Welcome to City of Dreams Mediterranean, the biggest integrated casino resort in Europe. It is situated in Limassol, Cyprus. Welcome to Premier Room Sonicview. It is 42 square meters plus balcony 7 square meters. I pretty like the design of this room, very nice colors in decor and design, and very great huge bathroom. I'm absolutely in love with this bathroom. It's very huge, bright, big bath tube. They provide all necessary bath amenities, even bath salt, bath foam, the foam for hair, dental kits. They have scales here, and I very like these bathrobes. They're so soft. Oh my god. Welcome set, fruits and sweets, minibar, coffee machine, our restaurant, all-day dining, very spacious and bright rooms. Here is halloumi cheese grilled and grilled local sausage, red wine, omelette, spring rolls and brown gyoza, fruit selections, passion fruit, kiwi, plums, apples, pears, vegetables and greens, different kinds of olives, sun-dried tomato, cheeses, fresh bakery, croissant, chocolate twist, Danish muffins. Everything is very delicious and tasty and very well smelled. Dried fruits, pancakes, puddings, lots of toppings. Oh, they even serve ice cream for breakfast, honey, jams, good selection of fish, 2 kinds of smoked salmon, smoked mackerel and smoked eel, cold cuts, chorizo, ham, pastrami, turkey, fresh berries, strawberry, blueberry, also watermelon, pineapple, different kinds of melon, grapefruit, nice selection of fruits actually. Different kinds of nuts, muesli, flakes. Different kinds of milk for any allergy. Yogurts. The big pool area, the biggest in Cyprus. Kids pool and some small splashes.